What's up everybody, it's Will, and today I'm going to be doing a video on the new Raven Scythe looking thing. I'm going to be doing a sound test for it, just so if you want to buy it, you know what it sounds like, since I really only buy them for the sound. But this one I knew I was going to buy because it's really cool. Alright, this is the pull-out sound. This is when you slice the air with a little like black raven contrail, and then this is hitting a tree. It's really cool. I really recommend it. Usually I'm pretty picky about my pickaxes because I want them to sound cool and look cool, but this one's awesome. It was between this one and the Baxicle when it came out, but I chose this one since it was really cool. That's it. So yeah, I'll see y'all later. Peace.